My name is T. Venkateswaru, second MSc Organic Chemistry. As the paper 1, reaction mechanism and pericyclic reactions. Topic is the nucleophile substitution reactions at trigonal carbon atom. This is the one of the important reactions of the trigonal carbon atom. Generally, as the nucleophile substitution reactions very easy to the normal compounds, but here trigonal carbon atom meaning of the carbon atom as the attached to the heteroatom in presence of double bond system. So this type of compounds attacking to the nucleophile substitution reactions. One of the example is the C double bond O as the one of the trigonal carbon atom. C double bond S and C double bond N. These all are the trigonal carbon atom. This trigonal carbon atom attached to the nucleophile substitution reactions. One of the best example RCOCl, acid chloride, react with nucleophile. Here we observe as the nucleophile substitution reactions, generally nucleophile substitution reactions attacking to the nucleophile in the substrate molecule. That time nucleophile attacking to the substrate molecule, immediately leaving group is the removed. But in this case, as the different type of reactions we observed, this is the one of the example of the nucleophile substitution reactions at trigonal carbon atom. This is the best example is the acid chloride. This acid chloride, alkyl acid chloride, react with nucleophile in presence of solvent to form as the nucleophile substitution product. Here observed as the this is the nucleophile attacking to the C double bond O system as the carbonyl compound system. This is the carbonyl compound attached to the nucleophile to give to form a tetrahedral mechanism. This normally as the nucleophile substitution reactions are as the SN1 reactions, SN2 reactions, SNI reactions. This three is the SN1 reactions is the unimolecular reactions, SN2 is the bimolecular reactions, as the SNI is the internal nucleophile substitution reactions. But this trigonal carbon atom as these reactions is the observed as the nucleophile and the leaving group same position transition state present in the leaving group and as the nucleophile. These two atoms present in this position. So this is the one new method of the reactions. So this is the reactions of this leaving group. This X is the leaving group. This Y is the nucleophile. This nucleophile attack into this position to form the nucleophile substitution reactions and the leaving group, generally reactions. But the mechanism we observed as the C double bond O, as the C double bond O, one of the pi bond present in the carbonyl compound. This pi bond as this first time as the solvent H plus is the attacking to the low base of electrons of the oxygen atom. To form this is the one of the positive charge carbon atom formation. Next, this positive charge carbon atom to form this positive charge carbon atom. This positive charge carbon atom formation of this positive charge carbon atom attacking to this nucleophile attacking to the positive charge carbon. This is the tetrahedral mechanism. This is the one of the important point is the leaving group nucleophile present in the carbon atom. In the before classes we discussed only attaching to the nucleophile. That time is the leaving group of the leaving group removed. But here one of the leaving group and the nucleophile, both are present in the transition state of the compound. Next, this is the one of the oxygen atom present a lone pairs of electrons. This lone pair, we observe. This is the Y also has the electron withdrawing group, X also electron withdrawing group. Electron deficiency formation of the carbon atom. మనం ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ అబ్జర్వ్ చేస్తే కార్బన్ ఆటమ్ మీద ఎలక్ట్రాన్ డెఫిషియన్సీ ఫామ్ అవుతుంది. అందువల్ల ఇది నెక్స్ట్ స్టెప్ యాజ్ దిస్ లోన్ పేర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్ ప్రెజెంట్ ఇన్ ద ఆక్సిజన్ ఆటమ్, దిస్ లోన్ పేర్స్ ఆఫ్ ఎలక్ట్రాన్స్ షిఫ్టెడ్ టు carbon atom. This lone pairs of electrons shifted to carbon atom. Next leaving group is the removed to form one of the double bond system. Next as the step is the remove of H plus to form a nucleophile substitution product. This is the trigonal carbon attached to the nucleophile substitution reactions. Best example is the acid chloride. Acid chloride is the one of the best example of the nucleophile substitution at the trigonal carbon atom. This one of the benzyl chloride or other very easy to explanation of the this trigonal carbon atom. Next, another is the important nucleophile substitution reactions is the vinyl carbon atom. Vinyl carbon atom attached to the nucleophile substitution reactions. Vinyl compound is the C double bond C. We observe the C double bond C attached to the nucleophile. Very difficult process. These two carbon atoms present one electrons present in the carbon atom. This nucleophile also has the electron efficiency. It is the very difficult. It does not formation of the nucleophile substitution reactions, but many examples present in the nucleophile substitution at vinylic carbon atom. This is the not a nucleophile substitution reaction. This is not a tetrahedral mechanism, but here observed as the addition elimination mechanism. The vinyl compound is the observed addition elimination mechanism. It does not a tetrahedral mechanism. This mechanism only observed as the unsaturated compound. Saturated compound is not applicable to the addition elimination mechanism. One of the example 1,1 dichloroethane. This is the one of the example of the 1,1 dichloroethane react with thioalcohol. This is the observed to the product is the 1,1 dithio compound is not a formation, but 1,2 dithio compound is observed. This is the very difficult and very uncommon reactions of the vinyl compound of the nucleophile substitution reaction. This one of the example is the 1,1 dichloroethane react with thioalcohol. Here 1,2 dithioalcohol is the one of the vinyl compound is formed. It does not formation of the 1,1 thio compound is not a formation. And the right to the mechanism 1,1 dichloroethane react with thioalcohol, aromatic thioalcohol. Here we observe as the negative charge and this is the positive plus is the. So first is the thio compound as this negative charge attached to the one carbon atom. This next is the pi bonding system migration to the another carbon atom. This is the important point is the this negative charge attaching to the carbon atom. That time is the pi bonding system migration to another carbon. This pi bonding this negative charge attack absorber of the H plus ion to form a saturated compound of the thio compound, saturated compound of the thio compound. Next step, as the E2 elimination, remove of the HCl, E2 elimination to form a unsaturated compound of the chlorothio compound is the form. Next, as the another is the formation of E2 elimination. Same as the 2 times of E2 elimination to form acetylene compound. Acetylene compound react with aromatic thioalcohol to form a 1,2 thio compound. Here we observed as the react with of the direct to formation of it does not direct to formation of the living group, direct attack to the nucleophile, but is the addition elimination mechanism through formation of the compound. This is the important point of this. This is the important point of the vinyl compound attached to the nucleophile substitution reactions. Thank you.